The Ethiopian Educational Media Agency presents English for Grade 8. This is Program 25. Lesson topic, Conditional Sentences. Produced by Srafel Zode.
Hello, teacher. Hello, students.
Hi, friends. What should we do?
What should we be?
We should work hard.
We shouldn't be rude and bad.
I want to sing that song.
I want also. Hailu, can we sing it?
Of course you can. Students, I hope you remember the song. Now, let's sing it together. Group 1 students, sing with Azeb, and Group 2, sing with Tola. Sing after 3. 1, 2, 3.
We should work hard and hard. We shouldn't be rude and bad.
That's good, students. We'll sing the song again later. But now, listen to Tola and Azeb. Listen.
Azeb, last time I was sick and so went to health worker.
Really? What did he say to you?
Well,
Just a minute, Tola. Students, last time Tola was sick, and so he went to a health worker. Now, let's listen to what they talked about. Listen.
Okay, Tola, your problem is caused by flies.
flies?
Yes, you must bury the rubbish.
Why?
You know, if you don't bury the rubbish, flies will breed on it.
Flies will breed?
Yes, unless you bury it, flies will breed on it.
I see.
And now, take this medicine. If you don't take this medicine, you won't be all right.
I won't be all right?
Yes, unless you take this medicine, you won't be all right.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Students, have you listened to the conversation? All right. Now, listen one more time again. Listen.
Okay, Tola, your problem is caused by flies.
Flies?
Yes, you must bury the rubbish.
Why?
You know, if you don't bury the rubbish, flies will breed on it.
Flies will breed?
Yes, unless you bury it, flies will breed on it.
I see.
And now, take this medicine. If you don't take this medicine, you won't be all right.
I won't be all right?
Yes, unless you take this medicine, you won't be all right.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Students, now listen to some of the expressions the health worker used. Listen.
If you don't bury the rubbish, flies will breed on it. Unless you bury the rubbish, flies will breed on it. If you don't take this medicine, you won't be all right. Unless you take this medicine, you won't be all right.
Students, I hope you have noticed the uses of if and unless.
What's their difference, Hailu?
Well, the word if with negative expression is equivalent to unless with positive expression. For example,
If you don't bury the rubbish,
it's the same as
unless you bury the rubbish.
students. Now listen to Tola and Azeb replacing the if expression by unless. Azeb, replace if by unless.
Okay.
If you don't come on time, you'll miss the exam.
Please repeat.
If you don't come on time, you'll miss the exam.
Unless you come on time, you will miss the exam.
You're correct. Now Tola, it's your turn.
Okay.
If you don't study, you'll fail.
Unless you study, you will fail.
Good. Now Azeb, if you don't run fast, you can't catch the bus.
Unless you run fast, you can't catch the bus.
That's very good. Students, now doing the same way with your teacher. Teacher, please make your students one by one change the if expression into unless. Give them the if not statements and let them change it into unless expressions. For example, call a student by name and say, if you don't study, you'll fail your exam. And the student should respond as,
Unless you study, you will fail your exam.
do the activity with as many students as you have time for. You have about 2 minutes. Thank you, teacher. Students, now let's sing our song again. But now, Group 2 sing with Azeb and Group 1 with Tola. Sing after 3. 1, 2, 3.
What should we do? What should we be? What we shouldn't, what we shouldn't.
We should work hard, hard and hard. We shouldn't be rude and bad.
That's good, students.
Thief. These.
These.
This TH has different sounds, I think.
You're right, Tola. The TH has 2 different sounds. Students, how many sounds does TH has? Azib?
It has 2 sounds.
Yes, the TH has 2 sounds. the sound in the and the sound in thin.
As in the and as in thin.
THE, the, and THIN, thin.
Azeb, when were you born?
On the 10th of March.
But I was born on the 13th of July.
13th?
Yes.
Students, when was Tola born? Azeb?
On the 13th of July.
Students, when was he born? Yes, on the 13th of July. Students say 13th. Say again, students. 13th. Tola, say thin.
Thin.
Azeb, say 3.
3.
Students, now let's practice the th sound. Say after me. Thin. Students, say again. Thin. Now say thick. Thick. Students, now say 30. 30. Now say through. Through. That's all right. Now let's practice the th sound. Ready? Say this. This. Now say there. There. Now say father. Mother. Now say cloth. Cloth.
Hailu, do we say it close?
Yes.
But the spelling is C-L-O-T-H-E-S.
Right. C-L-O-T-H-E-S is read as cloth, not clothes. We don't read E-S at the end.
I see.
Tola, say cloth.
Close.
Students, say cloth. That's right. Tola, can you tell me words with TH and th sounds?
Yes, I can.
Good. Now tell me only 2 words.
Okay. Thin. 3.
Very good. Now Azeb, tell me 2 words with the sound.
With the sound?
Yes.
Healthy.
Good.
And mouse?
That's right. Students, can you tell your teacher the words with th and the sounds? All right. Teacher, after the broadcast, please ask your students one by one to say some words with th or the sounds. For example, call a student by name and say, tell me a word with th sound, or tell me a word with the sound. Help them in producing the sounds correctly. And that's all we have for you for today.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
You've been listening to English for Grade 8, Program 25, written and produced by Srafil Zode. Join us again next week in Program 26. Till then, goodbye everyone.